Ever found yourself forgetting where you put your keys or what you had for breakfast? You're not alone. This is a common issue for many of us, and it highlights the importance of maintaining brain health. But have you ever considered that the solution to these memory slip-ups might be found in neurobic exercises? These simple yet powerful activities are designed to give your brain a much-needed workout, improving memory and cognitive function. If you're curious about how to boost your memory, stay tuned for some exciting neurobic exercises. Neurobic exercises aren't as complicated as they sound. They're essentially mental workouts designed to stimulate different parts of your brain, not unlike how physical workouts target different parts of your body. The unique thing about these exercises is that they can help enhance your memory, making them a superb tool for anyone looking to boost their cognitive abilities. You see, our brains are intricate networks of neurons, and these neurons communicate via synaptic connections. The more we use these connections, the stronger they become. This is where neurobic exercises come into play. By performing tasks that challenge our brains in new and unexpected ways, we are essentially activating different areas of our brain and strengthening those synaptic connections. Whether you're learning a new language, trying out a new recipe, or even navigating a new route to work, you're engaging in neurobic exercises. They're all about breaking away from routine and challenging your brain to think differently. So, how can you actually do these exercises? Let's dive in. Ever tried brushing your teeth with your non-dominant hand? Sounds a bit odd, doesn't it? But this is actually a simple neurobic exercise that can give your brain a good workout. Switching hands and using your non-dominant one to perform routine tasks can stimulate different regions of your brain. This is because our brains are wired to associate certain tasks with dominance. For instance, if you're right-handed, your brain is accustomed to your right hand performing most tasks. So when you switch to your left hand, it's like your brain is exploring uncharted territory. This switch forces your brain to adapt, thereby creating new and different neural pathways. This process of neuroplasticity can enhance your cognitive abilities, including memory. So, next time you're brushing your teeth, eating a meal, or even scrolling through your phone, try doing it with your non-dominant hand. It might feel strange at first, but give it a try and see what happens. Did you know that your sense of smell can play a big role in memory? That's right, your nose is not just for breathing and sneezing, it's also a powerful memory tool. You see, scents can act as strong triggers to our memories. Ever walked past a bakery and suddenly you're back in your grandmother's kitchen helping her bake cookies? That's your olfactory system at work, connecting scents to memories. Now, how can we use this to boost our memory? Simple. Try associating different scents with different activities. For instance, when you're reading a book, light a particular scented candle. Then, when you're trying to recall what you've read, light the same candle again. The scent can help trigger your memory of the book's content. This exercise is not just for studying. You can also use it for work tasks, learning new skills, or remembering important dates. Next time you're studying or working, try incorporating a unique scent. How well do you think you could navigate your home with your eyes closed? Now that's a question that might raise some eyebrows, but it's exactly what we're going to talk about. The third neurobic exercise is all about challenging your brain by closing your eyes while performing familiar tasks. Think about it. Our brain is a creature of habit. It loves patterns. It thrives on the familiar. But when we close our eyes, the familiar suddenly becomes unfamiliar. The brain has to work harder, it has to adapt. It's like a muscle. The more you exercise it, the stronger it gets. So try brushing your teeth with your eyes closed, or folding laundry, or even making your bed. You'll notice that you'll become more aware of your other senses, like touch and hearing. This not only enhances your spatial awareness, but also boosts your memory. Remember, safety first. Don't try this while cooking or driving. Routine is comfortable, but did you know it can also limit your brain's potential? Our brains are creatures of habit, but sometimes these habits can lead to stagnation. The fourth exercise we're exploring today is all about changing your daily routine, which can help your brain form new connections. Think about your everyday activities. Do you always take the same route to work, or make your coffee the same way each morning? These repetitive tasks don't challenge your brain, meaning it's not getting the workout it needs. By switching things up, you're forcing your brain to adapt to new situations, to make new decisions. This could be as simple as brushing your teeth with your non-dominant hand, or taking a different route home. These small changes introduce a level of unpredictability, and this novelty triggers your brain to create new neural pathways. So shake things up a bit and keep your brain on its toes. When was the last time you learned something new? Now, we're diving into the fifth exercise, which is all about acquiring new skills. You see, the process of learning something new, be it playing a guitar, speaking a foreign language, or even juggling, can be a fantastic neurobic workout for your brain. Here's the science behind it. When you're learning, you're essentially creating new neural pathways in your brain. These pathways are like highways for your thoughts, and the more you have, the faster and more efficiently your brain can process information. On top of that, learning new skills also boosts your brain's dopamine levels, a neurotransmitter that plays a crucial role in memory and learning. So the next time you're tempted to say, "I'm too old to learn something new," remember that it's never too late to stimulate your brain in exciting ways. So start that course you've been thinking about, or pick up that musical instrument you've always wanted to play. So there you have it, 5 neurobic exercises to boost your memory. These exercises are not your typical workouts. They are a set of mental gymnastics designed to keep your brain fit, agile, and most importantly, to enhance your memory. Let's quickly revisit these neurobic exercises and delve deeper into their benefits. Firstly, switching hands. It may seem like a small change, but by using your non-dominant hand to perform tasks like brushing your teeth or stirring your coffee, you're challenging your brain to think differently. This stimulates neural pathways, helping to strengthen your memory and cognitive function. Then, there's the power of sense. Our olfactory system is directly linked to the areas of the brain responsible for memory and emotion. By associating specific scents with certain tasks or events, you can trigger memory recall, enhancing your ability to remember. Next up, closing your eyes. Performing tasks with your eyes closed heightens your other senses, forcing your brain to work harder. This not only boosts memory, but also enhances sensory perception and focus. Changing your routine is another fun way to give your brain a workout. By altering your daily routine, you're forcing your brain to adapt to new situations, bolstering cognitive flexibility and memory retention. Finally, learning a new skill. Engaging in new experiences or skills is like building a new muscle in your brain. It strengthens neural connections and promotes the growth of new neurons, leading to improved memory and cognitive function. The beauty of neurobic exercises is that they can be incorporated into your daily routine without any additional time or equipment. They're simple, effective, and let's face it, a little fun. After all, who said exercising had to be all sweat and no play? The power of neurobic exercises lies in their simplicity and accessibility. They serve as a reminder that maintaining brain health and boosting memory doesn't require complex solutions or expensive tools. It just requires a little creativity and a willingness to challenge yourself. Remember, a healthier brain leads to a better memory, so why not give these exercises a try?